In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a page in Confluence. Before we start, a quick reminder. Permanently deleting a page means it cannot be recovered later, so make sure you really don't need the content anymore, or that you've backed up anything important before you proceed. First, open your Confluence space where the page used to live. We'll be working from the space level, not from the individual page. Look towards the top of the screen for the name of the space. Right beside the space name, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the More Options menu for that space. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu gives you access to advanced options that aren't available on the main toolbar. From the drop-down that appears, choose Space Settings. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can manage everything related to that space, including content, permissions, and appearance. Depending on your permissions, you may see more or fewer options here, but for deleting a page permanently, we just need the content section. Once you're in Space Settings, look for the section labeled Content. Click on Content. This section is essentially an overview of all the pages and blog posts in the space, as well as items that have been removed. It's where you manage the life cycle of content for that specific space. Inside the content area, you'll see an option called Trash. Click on Trash. Confluence's trash works like a recycle bin. When a page is deleted from the space, it goes here first, instead of being removed right away. This is helpful because it lets you restore pages if they were deleted by mistake. In the trash view, you'll see a list of all the pages that have been deleted from this space, along with some basic details like titles and when they were removed. Now, to permanently delete a page, find the page you want to remove from this trash list. Once you've confirmed that this is definitely the page you no longer need, click on Purge. Purge is the command that permanently deletes the page from Confluence. After you click it, you may be asked to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the page is gone and cannot be restored through the user interface. And that's it. By following these steps, you've gone from the Space menu into Space Settings, through Content into Trash, and finally used Purge to permanently delete a page in Confluence.